Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I was missing in action for a few weeks. We have been so busy getting the garden ready and my business really picked up, so I was doing a lot of orders. So today I am off, so I'm planning to finish all the potato planting. We are planting 3 different varieties, fingerling, russet potato, and another banana fingerling. These are good for making fries and for cooking and baking as well. And as I said before, we have already planted the garlic in fall. There is about 250 garlic and 3 different types. Some of them, like around 90 of them, are seeds that we produce from our own garlic that we grew last year, and the rest of them I got the seeds from the store. And Kenny is fixing the second bed so I can start planting all the onions that I grew from seed. And my daughter is running around there, and the oldest daughter, she is doing her virtual class sitting outside. It's a beautiful weather outside. If you can see, the goats are grazing there. Max is happy because we put a new fence all around our property, just a little bit. It closed off here and here so that he can run around without any leash. So he's happy and the chickens are happy. Slowly, not too close. Not too close, baby. See how mama has spaced it. So you have to space it like that. Be careful, don't. So we are putting this landscape barrier. What it does is it controls weeds to a certain extent, and we have to spend less time weeding it. But still, there will be some weeds popping out of the holes that we have made, but that is much more manageable than weeding the entire bed. Kenny is putting the clips on so that it doesn't fly away. Once that's done, then I go add some fertilizer that I have in that box and then start planting. The potatoes are all laid up there, so I just have to close it. And we also use our goat's manure to the potato bed. It is really good. They need a lot of nitrogen, and the goat manure helps supplementing nitrogen for the potatoes. So we prepare the bed and then we add goat manure on top, and then I just dig like a couple of inches down and plant them. So once they start growing, then I keep mounding them so that the potatoes are not exposed to sunlight. Once it's exposed to sunlight, it gets slightly poisonous. Not now, once they start growing. So I just have to make sure that I keep adding more manure as and when they grow. Are you building a rock pile? You can't find any more rocks. Oh, there is one here, but it is too big for you to carry it. Look how dirty she is. It's nice and sunny outside, so she's been out all day. You need a good scrub, right, Christine? The garden is so messy now because we are doing a lot of prep work. So once it's all cleaned up and the plant starts to grow, it will be beautiful. Kenny is burning holes to 6 inches apart so that I can plant my onions. Okay, the school is over for my kids. So Jaden is digging holes, and I'm applying fertilizer, and Liana is planting the onions. So Liana, you want to show them how you plant the onions?
So you take the onion, slowly wiggle it from there,
Okay.
slowly plant it in,
Mm-hmm.
and make sure all the roots are not seen.
Mm-hmm. Christine,
And then you cover up the onion.
pack it down. Okay, good job. You can collect rocks. She wants to do something too. Okay, good job, Liana. Jaden, are you done? So, kids and I planted close to 3 rows of onions here. There's still a little more left, which I will be doing, and tomorrow I'm working, so I won't be able to do it, but I will finish it off this week. So onions are done today, potatoes are done there, so everything looks good. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. See you soon. Bye bye.